Let's look at the steps to display Excel data using a combination chart. In Excel, you can combine two or more chart types in a single chart. This is called a combination chart. In this example, we have a combination of a column chart with a line chart, which makes it a little easier to distinguish between the two data series. Combination charts are also helpful when you want to represent a broader range of information, or when you'd like to compare data that's dramatically different. So in this case, we're comparing how many people on the sales staff versus the sales results. And since those numbers are so different, what we do here is create a secondary y-axis. And you'll see that over on the right-hand side where it's showing the values for the sales staff. One way to create a combination chart is by changing the chart type. So here we have a column chart with the two data series, one for actual and the other for projected. All I'm going to do here is select the chart, pick the Chart Design tab, and over on the right-hand side, change chart type. This process has become much easier over the years in Excel. All I need to do now is pick Combo at the bottom of the list. And you can see that Excel is smart enough to suggest that I want a column for the first values or series, the actual, and we'll use a line for the projected. And now we're good to go. But when your data series are dramatically different, you can also automatically create a combination chart from the very beginning. First, I'll select this data. Control A is a quick way to select the current range. Next, pick Insert, and from your available charts, here we have our combination chart. And certainly there are other combinations that you could explore, like an area chart and columns. Here we have the option here for that secondary axis. So that's all I need to pick. But I'd like to show you what's happening behind the scenes. So instead we'll pick this Create Custom Combo chart. This gives you a little bit more flexibility. Here is that sales staff. It is line, and with either one of these series, we could change the chart type. I'll keep it in a line chart. And the only difference here is that now we're going to enable a secondary axis. So we show the values for the sales staff on the right-hand side, and then OK, and make any other additional enhancements to your new combination chart. Try these simple steps to create combination charts in Microsoft Excel. For more tips on being productive with Excel or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/Excel. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.